In today's video, I'm going to show you how to easily copy files to a flash drive, thumb drive or external hard drive using Windows 10. Whether you're backing up files, transferring data or just need more storage, this process is quick and simple, so let's get started. First things first, make sure your storage device, whether it's a flash drive, thumb drive or external hard drive, is plugged into your computer. Once you plug it in, you should see a notification pop up in the bottom right corner of your screen letting you know the device is already ready to use. Next, open File Explorer. You can do this by clicking the folder icon in the bottom of your taskbar or simply clicking Windows plus E on your keyboard, and on the left hand sidebar tap on this PC. You should see your flash drive, thumb drive or external hard drive listed as a new drive. It may be labeled something like removable disk. Click on that and it will open the contents of your drive. Now let's find the files you want to copy. Go to the folder or where your files are stored, whether that's your desktop, documents, folder or somewhere else. Once you've located files, simply drag them and simply drag and keep it on the removable disk. After that, simply click on continue by using the drag and drop method. After you've done that, you can also use the copy paste method. You can after that simply click on next and wait for the transfer to complete. After the completion, you can simply eject the storage device safely, and that's it. You've successfully copied your files to a flash drive. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.